Do you have tight hips? If yes, I'm going to give you one thing you can start doing that might just help. And no, it's not exercises like this. What I want you to do is actually address the reason you have tight hips in the first place. Because if you're doing 8 hours of this a day, then you can do this all you want at the gym, but it's probably not going to make a huge amount of difference. So next time you're clocking in an 8-hour shift, actually take the time to think, my health is actually important to me. So every hour, I'm going to stand up, I'm going to lift one knee up, move it around and down, lift the other knee up, around and down, and do that for a couple of minutes. Can you honestly say next time you're in a Zoom meeting, sat there listening, that anyone's going to care if you stand up and listen? Because you're doing the exact same job. Could even go as far as standing and typing. And I don't know, maybe your boss is an ass and will fire you. But the longer you do nothing about addressing the root cause of the issue, then nothing's really going to change in terms of your hip mobility. So as this video ends, maybe write a little plan, a little goal of what you're going to stick to when you go to work. And then in combination, do your favorite stretches from your favorite YouTuber or legitimate coach. With that combination, you might just start getting that hip mobility back. And make sure you do all that like and subscribe bollocks because I want to make more money so I can spend it on myself.